Hello friends, how are you all today? So this is my first YouTube video and I'm working with Narayan Motors in Daisar. So today I'll show you one car which is a 2017 Honda City IV Tech VX with sunroof. It's an awesome car and it's ridden for only 40,000 kilometers. So just have a look. So friends, this is the car. It's a 2017 model car. It's a single owner car. It's run for only 40,000 kilometers. It has an insurance validation, comprehensive insurance. It's a top class condition car. Minimum scratches in the car. As you can see, it says Narayan Motors. The body line of this car is perfect. And there is a passive entry and exit system in this car. These are the keys of the vehicle. It says Honda logo. Now if you can see, I'm just locking the car. As soon as I put my hand over here, the car doors gets unlocked. This system is known as passive entry and exit system. You can see the car has clean interiors. The car is just 3 years old and it's ridden for only 40,000 kilometers, guys. As you can see this, if I press this button for 3 seconds, the hood opens and there is a massive space inside the hood as well. I'm sorry for the car is not that clean now, because due to the rains, even you all know. You can see the stepney is also clean. It's a very good conditioned car. And now if I show you, yes guys, see this. There is a center armrest in the behind which has 2 twin cup holders. So let's get into the car. So yes guys, this is the dashboard look of the car. It's clean and polished. It's a manual car. There are rear AC vents and rear power sockets. Dual power sockets are available. One is 12 volt and the other was also 12 volt. Twin cup holders and center armrest. Let's go to the front seat and I'll show you the car in detail. So guys, this video is gonna be my first YouTube video. Yes guys, as you can see, the interiors are good. There is no rusting in the car. I'll just show you this. This is for the fuel and this is for the hood, engine hood. I'll just show you this also. Yes guys, as you can see, there is no rusting on the body. This says Honda IB Tech engine. It's the VX model. So guys, let's get into the front seat of the car. Yes guys, so this is the steering. It has some steering mounted controls. First of all, let's switch on the car. It has a button start over here. So if I place the key over here and if I press the button, the car starts automatically. This is the AC panel. Yes, it also has an inbuilt Bluetooth system, which is of Honda. There are some steering mounted controls, like you can increase or decrease the volume. You can change the modes of the FM or radio or AM or Bluetooth. You can change the songs. This is for the cruise control thing. Yes guys, and this is for picking up the call and cancelling the calls. This is the dashboard of the car. As you can see, the dashboard is sleek and in excellent condition. Here also you get one center armrest. It's a manual car. You get aux input over here, a USB input over here, and a power outlet over here. It's a pure petrol car in excellent condition. And this the lights. These are push button lights. If I go to tell you about the sunroof, if you open the hood of the sunroof, it's excellent. These are the buttons for the sunroof. Yes guys. And if I press this again, the sunroof will automatically get closed. And now let's keep this open. So guys, let's get the car started. So revving the motor up to 2000 rpm, 3000 rpm. Now just start it. As you can see, the car is very smooth. There are no errors in the car specifically. See guys. So being a petrol engine, the pickup of this car is great, I can say. If one purchases this car, you don't need to do any other stuff. Just fill up fuel in the tank and just ride it. This is the instrument cluster of this vehicle. So guys, I think you are enjoying the video. I'm not sure about it because it is my first YouTube video, so I'm trying my best. Please give me some love and support. Please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. I'll show you similar cars every alternate day. So guys, as you can see, so now speaking about the mileage of this car, because in India the main issue is for the mileage of the vehicle, especially a petrol car vehicle. So guys, this car is offering me a mileage of you can say up to 12 in city. On highway it's giving me a mileage of 15. So guys, being a premium segment sedan car, I think this mileage is justifying to the price of the car. As you can see, car is very smooth. There is no sound in the shock ups. So now let's take a U-turn. So these guys are this is the pickup of the car. As you guys seen, pickup is excellent. Now speaking about the price of this car, so guys, this car is I've quoted 7,85,000 for this car. It's a beautiful car. You just have to take and drive. A perfect car for family, a perfect car for friends. If you want to go on a long trip with your friends or something, there are two armrests given. One is on the rear side and one is here. So it's very comfortable for the passengers as well. And guys, the AC is also excellent. There is an inbuilt Bluetooth system. Now let's get going to my garage. Sorry, not into my garage, actually my office. Guys, please cooperate with this video because this is my first video. So I know I have been making some blunders in middle, but please support because I'm new to this. As in how I remove my more videos, I'll get used to this. It's all upon you guys if you guys support. So please like, share this video and subscribe to my channel. See this guys, now there is a huge speed breaker in the middle. This car will just glide over the speed breakers. Excellent shocks, excellent, just excellent. So now we would be going and speaking about the price of this car. So I'll meet you in the next frame. So guys, you can see if I put the gear on reverse, there's a reverse parking camera over here. That makes your driving very easy and feasible. Yes guys, so now let's talk about the price of the car. So now guys, speaking about the price of the car, I have quoted 7,85,000 only for all my dear subscribers. And guys, I know I have made some blunders, but guys, please support my channel because I'll keep on reviewing these videos. And if you like the videos, please give it a like, a thumbs up. Please share to my YouTube channel and subscribe. So to repeat, this is a 2017 model, first owner, Honda City iVTEC VX model. That is top model along with the sunroof. So guys, yeah, thank you.